Kucoin, the people's exchange. Kucoin is built for all classes of investors. Kucoin is the top one altcoin exchange, 700 plus assets and 1,200 plus trading pairs. Kucoin currently provides spot trading, margin trading, peer-to-peer fiat trading, futures trading, staking and lending to over 18 million users in 207 countries and regions around the world. And they're bringing a unique opportunity where you can turn $1 a day into millions. According to CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, Kucoin is the top 5 exchange. But let's get to the current website. After logging in, Kucoin is giving you multiple options of different things. Buying crypto, fast trade, peer-to-peer, third party, deposit fiat. They have loads of market options. We just heard 700 plus assets. And on the trading side, they have spot trading, margin trading, the trading bot, and convert. The unique option we're looking at today is under trading bot. After clicking on your trading bot, it will open a unique page which gives you spot grid trading, future grid trading, smart rebalance, dollar cost average, and the infinity grid. But we're going to have a look at the dollar cost average. Kucoin trading bot. 8.3 million bots created worldwide. How many bots? Over 8 million bots. Yes, you heard it correctly. 8 million bots. But let's move down because we're going to start something unique. We're going to try and turn $1 a day into plenty using the dollar cost average option. Make profits from regular investment. This is so easy. What is a dollar cost average bot? A dollar cost average bot is something you set to buy on a certain time, daily, weekly, hourly, monthly, yearly. You can decide. What we're going to do, we're going to create 3 different bots to trade for us daily on an investment of $1 a day on each of them. Let's start with something different. We'll use 3 different coins, and the reason why I'll be using these 3 different coins is because all of them have a burn mechanism in. We'll first start with Ethereum USDT. Investment every day. Date of first investment right now. And the amount per investment we're going to put in as $1. Then if you click on advanced options, we can put in a profit. What we'll do, we'll make the profit 50%. Every time your investment reaches a 50% profit, it will sell. Once the target is reached, notify and sell all positions and we'll start over again. So we keep on growing and building our portfolio, and we do have funds available to keep on doing it over and over. We'll confirm, and all we're going to do is create the bot. Confirm order, symbol, amount per investment $1, invest every day, date of first investments right now, and our target profit is $50. There we go. Our first bot has started. Let's go back to the bots and we create a second bot. Now the second one we're going to trade is BNB USDT. BNB is the Binance Smart Chain Utility Token, but they're burning a lot of BNB, and I do like the option when they're burning tokens because supply is decreasing, creating the opportunity of the price of the token to increase. We're going to do exactly the same. 1 day investment starting now, $1 a day, and at advanced options we're going to make it 50% yet again, and we're going to activate once target is reached, notify and sell all positions. We confirm and we create the bot. So our second bot is trading. Now finally the last one. The last one I'm going to be adding is Shiba Inu. I'm going to add the ship. Shiba Inu daily, starting right now, and $1 a day. Remember, you don't need to do 3 or 4 or 5 different coins. You can do one coin, and that will only cost you $1 a day. If it goes all year without reaching your 50% profit, it's going to cost you $365. But if it keeps on fluctuating and goes up and reach 50% profit, you're getting all your USD back in profit. And you start over again and you keep on doing it. You keep on accumulating, creating the opportunity. There's not many opportunities currently out in the market where you can start something with $1 a day. Do you have another opportunity? If you do, leave it down in the comments. Let's look at it. And even better, the main thing you need to remember is your funds is not locked in. Your funds is available at any time. As we can see, we got 3 different dollar cost average bots running right now. Our investments is $1 a day. In 24 hours and 59 minutes, we're going to add another $1 to each one of these investments. If you don't like what's happening, or you've seen profit and you need your funds, all you can do is click on this button. You can tell them sell everything to USDT or return your BNB. All you need to do is confirm and it's back in your wallet immediately. So I'll do a daily update to see how our DCA bots are doing. Are we growing? Are we in the red? But the main thing is there's opportunity. $1 a day can turn into plenty. And another benefit of Kucoin is the fact that you can deposit via Visa or MasterCard if you don't have a wallet. So you don't need to take the long route. You got Visa or MasterCard deposits, or you can just put some crypto over, turn it into USDT, and build yourself an opportunity. What's your thoughts on this opportunity? Are you willing to spend $1 a day and see what happens? And remember, smash that like button for each dollar you're going to spend, and subscribe for daily updates as we build this opportunity. $1 a day into maybe $1 million. Who knows? Time will tell. Have a good one. Enjoy the crypto gains.